Israeli tech firm Menti Robotics debuts MentiBot, a human-sized AI robot. It excels in tasks with human-like balance, agility, and natural language understanding. Unlike competitors, it incorporates advanced AI algorithms and training software, empowering it with unparalleled versatility and responsiveness. 17th April 2024 marked the debut of a fully electric iteration of Atlas by Boston Dynamics. This new version boasts an enriched range of movements compared to its predecessor. Empowered by an advanced control system and cutting-edge hardware, it showcases remarkable athleticism and agility, establishing a pioneering benchmark in robotics. Eric, a humanoid robot, is in development as part of the JST Moonshot program, with applications in medical care, nursing, and long-term care. It uses equipment from a Tokyo robotics startup, featuring high-res torque sensors and gel-like material for human-like skin. Eric's soft movements, flexibility, and high performance make it stand out, with a max payload of 20 kilograms, capable of assisting in challenging tasks like transferring people. Oppo unveils their latest robotic canine, Crick, teased in 2022. Crick is designed for household applications, offering a range of functionalities. Oppo states that Crick stands for Quadrupedal Robotic with Intelligent Controller. In Perm, Russia, Arti, a humanoid robot, has emerged, developed by the Perm-based organization WXO on the Rook robotic platform from Promobot. Arti features anatomically accurate mechanics, a wide range of microfacial expressions, and elastic silicone skin. Unveiled at the Forum RAS exhibition, Arti mesmerized visitors with its emotional expression, singing, playing, and conversational abilities. Its development relies on unique software using motion capture technology to replicate human emotions, facial expressions, and gestures. Dr. Alfred is a groundbreaking robot surgeon, debuting in Dubai. Despite his appearance in green scrubs, he's a hyperrealistic robot from Engineering Arts. Powered by AI and voice recognition from an English startup, Dr. Alfred converses freely. He answers personal questions, understands all languages, hinting at a future where robots like him replace humans in tourism, even as hotel administrators.